We're here in Newton, Alabama. The water is rising here at almost an inch per every half hour according to DOT. The mayor, who was just here a few minutes ago, said he put that bottle there about a half hour ago to show where the water line was. That's how far it came up. One of the things you have to be careful for in rising water like this is snakes. While I was setting up the equipment, I just had a beautiful water moccasin just float right by. Went into that tree area over there. This all is farmland. This isn't a swamp or whatever. This is just water that has risen from the Choctawhatchee River within the last 2 days or so. We've had an extraordinary amount of rain in the last few days, and not only in this area, but up north in Birmingham, all the way south. The water that falls up there gets into the rivers and of course comes back down and actually deposits the water as it moves south to the Gulf of Mexico. This was farmland. It's going to be quite a while before anything can be planted here again. People here in Newton are beginning to pack up and leave. This area was flooded a number of years ago, and just a few minutes ago, the Village Inn restaurant, which is across the street, they just packed up whatever they could and left. There's nothing more to do. You can't sandbag, you can't do anything that hasn't been done already. Really nothing more these people can do but sit back and wait for the water to recede. There's another rain system coming in within the next half hour or so, which will deposit a large amount of rain. We probably had 6 or 7 inches in the last day or two.